The helicopter is back together. Okay, we have vibration on. Let's start the helicopter. See maximum. Okay. My red blade is at 0, and next step will be tracking. So I check all 4 blades to be within 0.2 degrees of the red blade. This is blade number 3, and I just adjusted the link to get 0, so 3 done and 1 to go. Okay, I got 1.2 here, which is exactly 1 turn in, so I would say that tracking is now perfect. I will go to page 9 and check if my tail is properly configured. So if I swerve to the right, tail blade angle decreases. If I swerve to the left, tail blade angle increases. Okay, I bank left, swash plate compensates to the right. I bank right, compensates to the left, backward, forward. My setup is complete. I used the data MSH provided me with a scale setup, and next step will be a test flight.